My name is Dannie Chironga. I'm very, very grateful. Last year I attended for the first time WIM's conference. It was very, very life-changing, and at that moment I was going through hard times. I had resigned my job, and my marriage as well was facing some difficulties. But after attending the conference, it was life-changing, and we had Pastor Jerome there speaking about how we need to become leadership in our houses. You know, the leadership starts from there, and the direction we need to take as a man, as an individual. It really changed my life. So the content that I got out of the conference, it was life-changing. I went back home, applied it. Now coming to the new conference in 2023, I'm so looking forward to it, because I'm now in a stage where I did apply everything that I learned on that conference. I'm a changed man now. My marriage is intact. My business is now growing. All that I could have not done it without the conference itself. The speakers, the content that we get, it's just amazing. I read books. It's not the same, and reading a book compared to attending a conference. I do remember one of the tables that I was sitting on. There was gentlemen that we just started talking and communicating. I think I left the conference with about 7 to 8 contact details with men that I still connect with today. I can always reach out, drop an SMS or WhatsApp to them to say, look, how can I navigate myself if I find myself in a certain situation? And they always respond. So this was a last year conference, and in 2023 I still communicate with them. So the conference itself is life-changing. It's family-changing. You grow as a man. You get to understand your responsibility as a man in a society, as an individual, in a country as well. And I cannot wait for 2023 conference to come up. It's going to be life-changing. So register. You need to register. The amount of money that is being charged for this conference is so little compared to what you're going to get out of it. So I encourage you, do not hesitate. Come register, get your ticket, and see you there.